Russia is facing record-breaking heavy snowfall that has brought multiple cities to a near standstill. In some areas, snow has piled up so high that it has reached the fourth floors of buildings, disrupting normal life and forcing authorities to declare a state of emergency. The storm is one of the most intense in decades. The Kamchatka Peninsula in Russia's far east has been hit especially hard by a powerful winter system. Strong winds and blizzard conditions shattered apartment windows, damaged parked vehicles, and even tore the roof off a private house. In Kamchatka, the dangerous blizzard dropped nearly 1/3 of the monthly average snowfall within just a few days. Temperatures remained near freezing, between 0 and 2 degrees Celsius, creating icy roads and extremely hazardous travel conditions. People have died due to the storm, and officials have warned residents to stay alert as the risk of heavy snow accumulating on buildings increases. In Petropavlovsk, Kamchatsky, the mayor declared a state of emergency immediately after the first deaths were reported, mobilizing additional resources for urgent snow removal. Visibility became almost impossible as the heavy snowfall turned into a whiteout, forcing authorities to suspend public transport and close schools. Emergency crews struggled to move through snow-covered streets while snowplows worked non-stop to keep key routes open. Meanwhile, in western Russia, Moscow experienced an extraordinary snowfall that broke a 146-year-old record for continuous heavy snowfall, making it one of the heaviest winter events since weather observations began in 1880. Despite massive cleanup efforts and thousands of workers deployed daily, the city's services were overwhelmed. Traffic congestion intensified, daily routines were delayed, and the storm's persistence made progress slow and exhausting. Meteorologists said the storm was caused by an unusual atmospheric situation that allowed Arctic air to dominate the region. With no sign of the snowfall easing, millions of people remain at risk as the harsh winter conditions continue.